Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are good, safe, and healthy at home. My dear student, I am Munish Yadav, PGT Economics from Suraj School, Bhiwadi. Again, here to discuss with you some more questions from chapter 13. Market equilibrium under perfect competition and effects of shift in demand and supply. My dear student, this chapter is very important because a 6 mark question always asked for the examination purpose. Okay, so my dear student, till now we have completed about two important topic. First, market equilibrium under perfect competition we have completed, and second, chain effect we have completed successfully. So today the turn is for some exceptional case. It means what are the exceptional case regarding demand and supply. Exceptional case means when supply or demand perfectly elastic or perfectly inelastic. Okay, so first of all, just recall the points in the previous chapters, demand and supply, theory of demand and theory of supply. You had discussed about the topics that what is perfectly elastic. Perfectly elastic means a horizontal line where ed and es both equals to infinity, that is perfectly elastic. And perfectly inelastic means a vertical straight line, a vertical straight line where ed and es both are equals to 0. Okay, so first we will discuss about the supply, and then demand we will discuss. So first case, so regarding the things, there are the 2 points: when supply of commodity perfectly elastic and when supply of commodity is perfectly inelastic. It means supply चेंज नहीं होगी, डिमांड इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज होगी, और जब डिमांड चेंज नहीं होगी तो सप्लाई इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज होगी. तो इट मीन्स at the one time one thing will change. The first is when supply is perfectly elastic. So perfectly elastic always be this diagram. Okay, so on the y-axis price, on the x-axis quantity, and this line is perfectly elastic. Es equals to infinity. Done? Yes. So dd is given demand and this is given quantity. When demand increase, first case is demand increase, shift demand curve forward. So this is new demand and quantity. It means in the observation we what we observe from the diagram, that quantity shift from q to q1. This is shift from q to q1. It means quantity increase, but there is no change in price op is still constant. Okay, no change in price. So now move to the second point. Supply is perfectly elastic, but what happens when demand decreases? So on the y-axis price, x-axis quantity, supply is perfectly elastic. This is the given demand. Or when demand decreases, so shift demand curve backward. So this is given quantity and this is new quantity. Quantity is decreasing. As demand decreases, quantity is decreasing, but no change in price. Okay. So this is the point when supply is perfectly elastic. Second case, when supply is perfectly inelastic, in that case supply will be a vertical straight line. This is vertical straight line. So same on the x-axis quantity, on the y-axis price, supply is vertical line. dd is given demand and increase in demand means forward shift. Because this is op is given price, and when new demand strike with the supply, this is p1, so price increasing but no change in quantity. Quantity is remains constant. Okay, and when demand decreases, so on y-axis price, on the x-axis quantity, ss is given supply curve, dd old demand curve. Okay, initial demand curve, and when demand decreases तो shift backward. So OP2 OP1 प्राइस जो है वो क्या हो गया बेटा, डिक्रीज हो गया. लुक एट हियर, बट नो चेंज इन क्वांटिटी. स्टिल यहाँ भी कोई चेंज नहीं है क्वांटिटी में और यहाँ भी कोई चेंज नहीं है. सो व्हाट वी हैव डिस्कस, वी हैव डिस्कस टू केसेस. टू केसेस मीन्स व्हेन सप्लाई इज परफेक्टली इलास्टिक. तो परफेक्टली इलास्टिक में क्या होगा, प्राइस रिमेन्स कॉन्स्टेंट, क्वांटिटी विल चेंज. एंड परफेक्टली इन इलास्टिक मीन्स price will change but quantity will be remains constant. Okay, I hope you understand the point. And second case is exception change in the situation of demand, when demand is perfectly elastic and same perfectly inelastic. So first is when demand is perfectly elastic. So now, as similar to the supply, on the x-axis quantity, on the y-axis price. Demand is perfectly elastic, so straight horizontal line. एस इज गिवन, सप्लाई का अपवर्ड है, एक चीज़ का ध्यान रखना, डिमांड डाउनवर्ड होगा और सप्लाई अपवर्ड होगा. एंड बेटा दिस इज गिवन क्वांटिटी एंड दिस वन इज न्यू सप्लाई का. क्लियर? सो व्हाट वी डिस्कस इन द पॉइंट that quantity increases when supply increases, quantity increases from Q to Q1, but no change in price. Price still OP, equilibrium price में कोई change नहीं है. And second case, when demand is perfectly elastic but supply decreases. So quantity on the x-axis, price on the y-axis, and simply price line, supply line is given upward. DD firstly we will show as a horizontal line because demand is perfectly elastic. SS is supply curve, S2 when demand supply is decreasing, demand remains constant. So my dear student, what you observe कि सप्लाई जब भी डिक्रीज हो रही है सो क्वांटिटी डिक्रीज हो रही है बट नो चेंज इन प्राइस. सो एक ही चीज़ याद रखनी है हमें कि व्हेन डिमांड एंड सप्लाई परफेक्टली इलास्टिक, सो क्वांटिटी चेंज होगी, प्राइस चेंज नहीं होगा. ऑन द अदर हैंड सेकेंड पॉइंट, व्हेन डिमांड इज़ परफेक्टली इन इलास्टिक, सो जब भी डिमांड परफेक्टली इन इलास्टिक होगी, परफेक्टली इन इलास्टिक मीन्स ई डी इक्वल्स टू ज़ीरो. ओके, ई डी इक्वल्स टू ज़ीरो. सो सेम क्वांटिटी price y-axis, demand is equals to 0 means perfectly inelastic, so a straight line, vertical straight line. Supply SS given supply increasing तो forward shift, तो price is decreasing, price देखो P से P1 decrease हो रहा है. Okay, clear, but no change in quantity. और when supply decreases, so demand is same straight vertical line because demand is equals to 0, perfectly inelastic. This is given supply, and when supply decrease so supply curve shift backward, so price is increasing. P2 P OP2 OP2. clear? done. P से P2 तक ये इंक्रीज हो रहा है आपका प्राइस. सो हमने दो ही चीज़ें लर्न की, वेदर द केस फ्रॉम द सप्लाई और डिमांड. इफ़ सप्लाई इज़ परफेक्टली इलास्टिक and demand is also perfectly elastic, then equilibrium price will not change, only quantity will change, increase or decrease. Okay, and in case when demand and supply both are perfectly inelastic, so in that case quantity remains constant, it means no change in quantity, but price will increase or decrease. Okay, so I hope you understand today's point. It is very important to draw all the diagrams with observation. Okay, and for the queries beta you can call me and send messages also. Thank you so much.